I will teach you the little tricks and guile that will assist you to choose the right words, the right tone, and the right structure for all of your speaking answers. Let's say you're not doing well in your speaking exam. What is the solution to this problem? Proper practice, lots of practice, and practice with someone. You cannot improve your speaking by just practicing with yourself. I see a lot of people suggesting others that আয়নার সামনে যাও or selfie camera open করো and keep on practicing and 2-3 মাস ঠিকমতো প্র্যাকটিস করলে IELTS speaking এ একটা ভালো স্কোর পাওয়া. It's not how it works. It may work for some people যাদের proficiency level already একটা basic পর্যন্ত আছে. But let's say you are not even close to the intermediate range. You are just a beginner. আপনার জন্য man to man, face to face practice is extremely important. And that is where our IELTS Speaking VIP one-on-one sessions come in. Either you may join our VIP Speaking one-on-one sessions or you can decide to join initially our speaking club. Our IELTS Speaking Club is a totally free service. Although এটা করলে যে আপনার IELTS band score ধপ করে উঠে যাবে ব্যাপারটা এরকম না, but initial level-এ first 1 month-এর জন্য if you believe যে no, I don't want to invest anything, I just want to invest some of my time, তাহলে আপনি আমাদের স্পিকিং ক্লাবে জয়েন করেন, get enrolled in a batch. ওই ব্যাচে আপনি with some people, let's say 5 to 6 people, every week just একদিন করে বা 2 দিন করে 1 hour-এর জন্য ফ্রি সেশন করেন. এগুলো করলে আপনার ফাম্বলিং, জড়তা, এই জিনিসগুলো একটু একটু করে হলেও ইজি হইতে শুরু করবে. You'll start believing in yourself. After a month or so, then you may opt for our VIP Speaking one-on-one sessions where I will teach you the little tricks and guile that will assist you to choose the right words, the right tone, and the right structure for all of your speaking answers. Anyways, it's your call. I wish you make the best decision for yourself. Take care.